Tonight?
Origami.
Origami, in what district is that in?
I think Warehouse.
Warehouse, North Loop District. So we're going to check out a great restaurant, cityoflofts.com, and we'll give you the scoop afterwards, and we'll see how it goes. All right?
Bye.
I would recommend. What is your name?
My name is Ben from cityoflofts.com. Absolutely.
I would recommend Never Ending Summer Roll, which is asparagus tempura, which has a light batter, but it's deep fried kind of quickly. It's wrapped in yellowfin tuna and avocado. There's lots of fresh chopped herbs on the top, which give it a really fragrant kind of freshness. And that would be cilantro and chive and Japanese basil, Japanese sauce on the side.
We like that.
Yeah.
We like that. That sounds really good.
Really good. There's also 9.5 weeks roll. So in the Never Ending Summer roll has overall a very kind of a light meat feel to it. A little bit more decadent would be the 9.5 weeks roll, which is kind of a little bit of everything tossed into one roll. Shrimp tempura, crab meats, cucumbers, spicy mayo on the inside, wrapped in
origami there.
It was good. It was probably the best in Minnesota, to be honest.
Best in Minneapolis.
Best in Minneapolis. Probably good atmosphere. Kind of a little, not rustic, would be the word, but unique.
I think we're going to give Origami a big thumbs up. cityoflofts.com. Hope you enjoyed it.
Definitely.
I know we surely enjoyed it, and I hope you will too.
Loved it.
Cheers.